Hello everyone. So market has finally achieved a target of 15,800. Sorry, yeah, six. Today's low was around 15,800. Just need to update the chart. Okay. So now the candle is not seen for some reason. I'm just trying to uh, move it from one time frame to another time frame, so it will be visible now. Right there. So this is where the candle is. So it's not been seen because of this line over here. I'll just hide this so it gets easier. Anyways, firstly, I'll just talk about this area. So this area which have been drawn over here are trend reversal areas, which generally end up catching a bottom. So you can see a bottom over here, a bottom over here, then a bottom over here. And this has been taken by some study, and it ends up catching bottom after a certain number of days. So now we are in that zone and we have already fallen till now. So there are good chances that if this zone has to work, it may work in next 2 days. So if there is any bounce back which is coming back, we may see it in next 2 days. So that is why I have had kept this line. So I'll just hide it now. So yeah, that is the candle over there. Now, what market has done right now is we'll just see this. So the market has made this M pattern over here, which you're aware of. We've been talking about the M pattern since a long time. So I'll just show you all again the M pattern. So this is the M pattern that market has made. Okay. And this zone from here, sorry. Okay, so this zone over here, this becomes our first target over here on the downside. If we draw same, so this over here and this top to this top, so around this much on the downside becomes our second target. So that is how M pattern is calculated. Now, if this is a target that is around 15,000, we'll just see it actual target what it is coming as. I'm just drawing it to show you all how the M pattern looks. And now we'll just find the exact targets. So this distance over here, when you put it on the downside, will be our target. The breakdown point. So which comes around 14,800 level, right? So that is our target for Nifty eventually now for the M pattern. But before that, there are good chances that we may bounce back. One is this trend reversal date coming in the daily chart. Similarly, the same thing is coming on the 15-minute chart also. So there's a 15-minute chart where we are very close. Tomorrow, the trend reversal zone will start from 10:30 a.m. So tomorrow from 10:30 onwards, there are good chances that we may see a up move coming in the market. So we need to be careful on that. Then for on the daily chart again. So if the up move comes till, where do we go? So this is the upper zone, the breakdown point. So after that, we had a good big red candle. So the close of this red candle will be very important firstly. So that is 16,240 on the upside. 16,240 and 16,600 was actual breakdown. So if there's any up move, the good chances that we may rally to 16,200 levels odd on the upside. First, we'll try to cover this gap, which is around 16,130 odd. 16,130 to 16,240 is the range again. So this this gap is something that we'll try to cover. Get the gap also gets covered at 16,240, and the low of the gap was around 16,133. So a bounce back to 16,100 and 200 zone would be a good selling opportunity. Any buy or buy trade should be taken for a short trade, a very short trade. Please don't hold position. It should be strictly intraday if you're taking any buy positions. And on the downside, if the low is gone, yes, like 15,711 is 15,711 is today's low. If that is broken, be on the sidelines for some time and just watch what is happening. And probably after an hour or so, once you have a clearer picture, we can take the trade. But till right now, like till we don't have any clarity on the downside also, we wouldn't take a trade for intraday also. Positionally, continue being short. Now your stop loss is revised to around 16,300 zone. We'll just check where the channel line has reached right now. So there's something wrong with the so till the time we don't break this line, that currently the line would break around 16,350, 400 levels or so. Till that time we wouldn't go any long positionally at least, and any rise to this level will be a good shorting opportunity for a positional call, positional trade. So our overall view is still bearish. Intraday, there could be in next 1 or 2 days, there could be some opportunities to go long, but it is strictly intraday. And on higher levels, one can again look to go short. Even if someone wants to avoid going long, they should be happy to do it, because overall of the trend is of the market is still down. So right now, till the time we don't have any clarity, we don't need to go long. Only professional traders or someone who can manage intraday position should go long and look to trade for very like few bucks and a quick trade. So that's our view. Expecting a pullback in next 2 days. The pullback shouldn't rise more than 15,000, 16,100 to 200 zone. It will be somewhere there, and use the rises to sell for a positional trade. So hope you have a good trading day, and be careful with your trades. If any trades have been taken, please follow stop losses. Thank you for watching.